Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Now, this is a possible descending triangle, bearish idea for Bitcoin here. Real quick, just want to make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily. I've got a 4x altcoin pick over time. It's not going to happen overnight. And I've got a 10x altcoin pick, larger market cap coin. A lot of upside on this one coming later on in the video, so stay tuned. Make sure to watch the video to the end. Again, Bitcoin 1 hour, you got this descending triangle that's possible. Okay, so what would negate this idea? What would put a bullish spin on this? A break out to the upside, and we'd come up here. Bitcoin would test all-time high again. Break above all-time high, it's off to the races. However, if this breaks lower, there's some downside, and I'm going to show you 24,450 if this pattern breaks to the downside, right? It breaks higher, it would test all-time highs. Now, there's a 64% chance this breaks to the downside. What you've got here is you've got a high and then essentially a lower high. And so the bulls need to put in a higher high to completely negate this idea. You know, possibly a breakout to the upside. This could be a double bottom reversal to the upside. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated from December the 4th through today, I've made $32,000 in profits, Bitcoin only. Next person stated, I've made a couple trades the past 2 days. I love the group. It's gave me a boost in the market. I only started out with $2,500. And now I've made $10,000. This person stated, I wanted to share with you, I joined your group. I was down a Bitcoin. And now he's up $32,000. So stop working for the man. If you're tired of working for somebody else and you're ready to do this full time, you're ready for work from anywhere, go to my website, cryptorev.net. I can help you. These are all new traders. These are not veterans. They didn't come to join the group and have a clue how to trade. They had no clue. Right now, if you pay in crypto, you get 50% off 6 months or 12 months in the trading group. In the trading group, we had some amazing trades, like over the last 24, 48 hours. Dot, nailed Dot. Ren had this set up, CHZ, Vechain, ADA. I shared this with you guys yesterday. I'll show you that in a second. BNB as well. I gave this to you guys previously, potentially 2 weeks ago. We talked about this idea with REEF, and we said, hey, because people in the comments were asking, well, how do we know what's the next coin coming on Binance? Here it is, REEF, up 2,000%. These are high risk, right? Just got listed, so there's all over the place, right? The easiest way to kind of get into these Binance launch pool tokens is to farm these coins. And so you can essentially hold or farm REEF if you're holding BNB. And so this person in my trading group, he said, thanks for the BNB setup, which I gave you guys as well, combined with farming REEF on Binance. So he sold all the REEF that he farmed. He sold all the REEF that he farmed within a minute of listing on Binance for $6,200. And then he had $3,000 in gains from the BNB setup. That I'm going to go over with you, and I shared with you guys previously. So again, he walks away with $9,200. So on Binance, like, farm these coins. Like, if you're already holding BNB or you've got a good setup on BNB, you can lock your BNB up, farm these coins, and it's, you know, free money, $6,200 here. Now, when REEF is just listed, it's all over the place, right? So it's really gambling. Like, you want to wait for these coins to calm down before through price discovery, where the buyers and the sellers can determine a fair market value for the price of REEF. Got some great news for people that got wrecked on Cover. So remember, Cover lost about 91%. Huge move to the downside, right? And so what Binance did is they contacted Cover, and obviously Cover was already trying to do this on Twitter, but they said Binance discussed with the Cover protocol team, Binance going to delist the old token, right? It's going to pull it off the exchange. It got exploited. It's no longer really worth much, right? And so they took a snapshot of user balances. For every one of the previous Cover old, it's going to be called, you're going to get one Cover new, right? So this is going to be based on a previous Ethereum block that's used for the snapshot. So they're looking at kind of restoring everybody's Cover. So this person hit 459% gains, 4.5x. He shorted XRP. There's some negative news came out with XRP, something that not too excited about, but hey, we'll have to deal with it. There'll be a day where, you know, people are buying XRP. Coinbase announces it's going to suspend XRP trading as the price drops another 10%. Well, they made this announcement, and obviously this is something we talked about yesterday that would hurt the price of XRP. And I think XRP is still going to have its day. I think a lot of people are talking about Brad Garlinghouse wants to win this court case, and if he does, I mean, you can only imagine if Ripple wins the court case, you can only imagine how fast Ripple or XRP will pump based on this idea. 82 million in XRP shifted by Coinbase and Bitstamp, while XRP loses its third spot to Tether. So the number 3 crypto is a stablecoin. What we talked about yesterday is, hey, this is trying to reverse. I mean, they had a nice reversal pattern. And I said, if Coinbase delists XRP, it's going to change things in the short term. And that's what happened. Okay, and so you see break to the downside. You'll probably get some type of oversold bounce, but you're looking at, 20.5 cents and then 17 cents if that doesn't hold. And the next stop down would be 12 cents. So hopefully it doesn't get that low. Again, you'll see some type of oversold bounce, but XRP right now, it's moving considerably lower. So Voyager Digital takes the system offline following a cyber attack. Welcome to crypto, where Cover gets exploited. Voyager Digital takes system offline, cyber attack. Like, a lot of this stuff, man, it's stressful. You got the ledger, like what's going on with that? People are getting text messages, and it's kind of, always ignore every text message, phone call, or email you get from Ledger because they're fake, right? Just ignore it. The database of people's names and phone numbers got leaked, but everything's fine with your wallets. So cyber attack, Voyager Digital. They said everything's safe, said no funds or personal information were compromised. So yesterday's video, I gave you guys this Cardano USDT setup. And again, it's buy the breakout. Buy the breakout. That's what we do. Or the retest, even better. 10,000 people saw this video. 10,000 people saw this ADA setup. Boom. So about 14% max gains after the breakout for ADA. It's retraced slightly, but again, your targets over here, 18.5 cents, 19.5, 20.5, 22, 24. Okay. Now, if there is some type of Bitcoin pullback, maybe this retest and bounce, and that would be a good entry idea for ADA. This is the top moving coins, top green coins on Binance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Huge. A couple of them I gave to you as well, ADA and BNB. So here's REN, boom, 27% gains. DOT, okay, let's talk in depth about DOT. There's a lot of upside for this crypto. I think you'll see 10x gains in 2021. It's a very realistic, non-moon boy expectation for DOT. Okay, so we had a setup on this that was posted on the 26th, 3 days ago. $5.20 was the entry. Boom, moved to the upside, 28% max gains. Now, what I want to talk to you about is this idea. So on a daily time frame, DOT had this huge triangle that was formed. And you see this rounded bottom. So this is bullish, right? And then kind of almost like a cup and handle, if you will. Broke out to the upside. And what's important is it came down after the breakout. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. When's the last time you had this volume? Back here, when it first got added to Binance. This is breakout confirmation. It would be better to buy this on a pullback. Buy this when Bitcoin pulls back. Look for entry when you get a dip that scares you. Okay, you can have the best cryptocurrency out there, but you buy at the top, that's a problem. However, DOT came down here and retested already, and then it's bounced. So again, if we go over to CoinGecko, you can see previous all-time high was $6.30. So what does this mean for DOT? This is price discovery. There's not any previous price action. This is all-time high. All-time high. Okay, so the initial target is $8.70. Okay, I think this can 10x over the course of 2021, realistically. So remember, DOT, it's always best if you get some type of Bitcoin pullback, that's your best entry. Vechain was one of the top movers on Binance by the breakout of this bull flag, and it broke out to the upside, ran from 62 sats up here to 80 sats. I mean, that's significant move for Vechain. 25%, 26% gains in a day. BNB, so I gave you guys this setup. It looked like this. And so BNB, and it was a falling wedge. See, this is all-time high. Look for BNB. All-time high, and then BNB gets rejected. Boom, hard rejection. Now, why is this significant for BNB? Because if it breaks above here at some point, if it breaks above this level, again, price discovery, you're going to see, remember how Zilliqa's been moving just like crazy? Like these coins start running just insane profits. You just think they have to stop. They have to pull back. They just keep going and going and going. So right now, I'm just kind of watching this move for BNB. But again, this was good for the people that were staking it on REEF. 20% gains. CHZ. I'll talk to you guys about this. It's hard to say, hey, buy now, but this thing's going parabolic. 40% gains after I gave this setup. I didn't give this to you. This was to the trading group. EGLD, this is a 4X pick. 4X from here. 4X from where we're at now. This is not the current price. In the trading group, we bought it at $8.50. $8.50 by the breakout of this level. And you can see you got this like double bottom, right? Double bottom. This is a bullish pattern, right? So you go zoom out, EGLD. We bought down here. We bought down here. Bought the breakout in tremendous gains. I think this is up, from 8, essentially 200% gains here. Now, I think this is still 4X in 2021. It's already had this epic run up where DOT hasn't had that move yet, right? So that's why this is 4X versus DOT 10X. And again, I think this is a very realistic estimate to see, about $100 EGLD in 21. Realistic, right? Remember, this used to be ERD, which we had an amazing altcoin season. It ran up a couple 100%, and we made a ton of money on this channel with you guys. And so just zoom in and understand, here's the pattern you're looking at. When you want to nail your entries, you want to go to the 1 hour chart. This is 15 minute just because it found the best pattern here, right? This is really a short time frame. And it was by the breakout of this level. This did break out, and this is holding right now. There's potentially you could get some type of falling wedge. All this depends on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin sneezes, everything changes. For now, this is what we're looking at today, right now. Potentially buying the breakout of this level or the breakout of this falling wedge, if that's what's forming. You just got to watch it. But you got an Adam and Eve. This is a bullish reversal pattern. Double bottom. Okay, possibly this is forming some type of falling wedge. So it's like an Adam, Eve, cup and handle. Potential upside here for EGLD, like we said. You know, here's some initial targets. $29, $32, $35, $38, $43. But the question is this retrace over? And it's very dependent on Bitcoin. Skybridge Capital expects tidal wave of capital to hit Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Tidal wave of capital to hit Bitcoin. And that's, the game has changed because institutions are buying Bitcoin. They're very apparent that we have a ton of institutional capital that's going to be coming into this market. A tidal wave of capital is coming. And they're going to buy these Bitcoin pullbacks. They're going to buy. You also have to think, hey, when they take profits, they're going to move the market. DXY, so this is a dollar index. And so Trump's talking about $2,000 stimulus checks. Print money, keep printing money. It weakens the dollar, and you see more Bitcoin upside based on this idea. So until this breaks out to the upside, or when it breaks out to the upside, you'll look at, you know, weakness as far as Bitcoin goes potentially. And so this is just something to keep an eye on. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.